Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down top-tier tech and home improvement products. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best whole house fan attic ventilator on the market. The Quietcool CL-4700 RF Classic Advanced Whole House Fan. If you're looking to reduce your AC usage, cool your home rapidly, and ventilate stale air out of your house, this fan might just be your perfect match. Let's start with what it's built to do. This fan is designed to cool and ventilate homes up to 2,208 square feet. That means if you've got an average-sized home, you're well within its operating range. It's engineered to take the heat load off your living spaces by pulling fresh, cool air from outside and pushing hot air out through your attic. It's a principle called ventilation cooling, and Quietcool has absolutely nailed it here. When we talk performance, this model delivers serious airflow. At high speed, it moves air at a whopping 4,415 cubic feet per minute. On low, it's still pumping out 3,402 CFM, more than enough for effective air circulation. This level of airflow can replace the air in your home every few minutes, which is incredibly effective on hot evenings or after cooking. The power comes from a 551-watt PSC motor when on high, and 415 watts on low. These numbers mean you're getting efficient operation without spiking your electricity bill. In fact, Quietcool claims you can save up to 50 to 90% off your AC usage, and with numbers like these, that seems entirely realistic. Now, about the build. One thing users love is the slim installation design. The fan motor hangs from the attic rafters, and all you see from the inside of your home is a small, removable grill, 14 by 30 inches, mounted to the ceiling. This means the fan is both low profile and quiet. In fact, Quietcool lists the noise level at just 37.2 decibels. That's lower than a typical conversation. The included RF wireless control kit is another win. It features a glass wireless switch with a countdown timer that can be set up to 12 hours. You don't need to run wires through your walls or install complex switches. It's a clean, modern solution that fits right into smart home-style convenience. Energy efficiency isn't just about the motor. The CL-4700 RF also includes a damper box with R5 rated insulation doors. When the fan is off, these doors help prevent attic air from leaking into your home during colder months. That's an essential touch many fans overlook. This isn't a seasonal gadget. It's a long-term investment in your home's comfort and efficiency. If your house is bigger or smaller, no worries, Quietcool has other models like the CL-3100, 5400, 6000, and even the Monster 7000 series that goes up to nearly 7,000 CFM. But for most homeowners, the 4700 RF hits that sweet spot between performance, efficiency, and value. In summary, the Quietcool CL-4700 RF isn't just a fan. It's a smart, powerful, and energy-conscious solution to home ventilation. If you're tired of the heat, the smell of yesterday's dinner lingering in the house, or sky-high electric bills, this whole house fan is a game-changer. That's it for today's breakdown on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to review next. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next video.